I really appreciate taking classes with Sarah Peyton because of her brilliant mind and the clarity with which she explains things, the humor that she often uses to bring things to life, and her incredible gentleness and kindness. So I feel invited to engage my mind and ask questions and get deep understanding, and I also feel so safe to bring my heart and my spirit and really grow and learn and change through the material that she gives us, the exercises that she has us go through together. So some of the best days are when we get to learn about something and then go practice it and feel the difference that it makes. So I'm so grateful for doing that in community. The people who are attracted to this work are amazing, and I get to be with them in this deep way as we do this work together and learn together. So I feel enriched by the entire experience, not just grateful for the learning and the new understanding, but for the new way I can be as a result of having experienced the work with others.